But first, an effort to prevent companies from implementing vaccine mandates for workers is gaining steam in South Carolina. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Alicia Barnes.
And I'm Brian Blakely, a state representative from York County, is one of the lawmakers leading the effort in this newly filed bill. And it comes as new cases are increasing across South Carolina. More than 350 new cases were reported today. Fox 46's Shakira Speaks joins us now live. And Shakira, state health officials in South Carolina say the unvaccinated are fueling most of these new cases, hospitalizations, and deaths.
Yeah, that's right, Brian. That's according to the data that they put out for the October hospitalizations, deaths, and reported cases. I spoke with a few people about the Vaccination Rights Act, and they believe that it should be left up to the individual to make that decision on whether they want to receive the vaccine or not. I spoke with York County Representative Tommy Pope, and he says regardless of the bill, it's an overall imperfect situation.
I actually have recently signed on to the vaccine bill to try to protect the citizens' rights. And the difficulty that I've seen is trying to make sure that we're not overbearing one direction or another.
York County State Representative Tommy Pope is one of the co-sponsors on the Vaccination Rights Act. The bill prevents employers from asking for proof of vaccination and emergency use authorized vaccines from being mandated. Pope says one positive for his concerned constituents is that the issue of mandates has been temporarily delayed by the courts.
I know there's a lot of upset people that want us to go back to Columbia yesterday and put an end to this, but it's not going to end magically, with one vote of the legislature.
David Aspazi is for the bill. Although he and his wife had a serious case of COVID-19 earlier this year, he believes health decisions should be left up to the individual.
It's your decision. If the vaccine does work, which I'm not an anti-vaxxer by any means, then it should protect you. And you shouldn't be worried about what other people are doing.
Dr. Anthony Fauci says no vaccine is 100% protective against infection, but it does go a long way.
Biggest disruption of the workplace is when people get COVID. And that's the reason why we want to do everything we can to keep the workplace flow at its normal level by preventing disease. And it's for that reason why it's so important to get the workers as well as everybody else vaccinated.
So as for the president's nationwide mandate, that remains on hold following a federal judge's ruling last week. The South Carolina Attorney General also joined a lawsuit pushing to block Biden's mandate for healthcare workers. We're live in South Carolina. Shakira Speaks, Fox 46.
Shakira, thank you.